Hop, you guys have processed so much game through all the years with the outfitting business, and especially down in Florida with the moisture, you know what I mean, the humidity.
Right.
First off, what temperatures do you like to age the deer?
Well, if you can keep, of course, in Florida, we've got to use walk-in coolers.
Yeah,
there's no way. We have maybe a couple days out of the year that it might get cold enough you could hang a deer outside, but the likelihood of you getting a deer on those days, well, that's pretty good actually, because it's going to be cold out. But you want to keep we run our walk-in coolers at 36 degrees. You want to try to maintain them at that. Of course, now in the wild, you know, you're going to have, at night, you're going to have temperatures drop down. Typically in the Midwest here, we'll get down, you know, below freezing.
Yep.
Anyway, but if you can get that initial heat out of the deer first, or whatever it is, hog, deer, you know, elk,
whatever.
Get that out of them first, and then let them hang outside, hair on or hair off, either one. But hair off, you've got to be concerned about flies getting on them. You got to be concerned about drying them out too long. If you leave them hanging with the hair off, they'll dry out, and then you skin them again, basically. So here's the thing. The question is what are you going to do with the meat? You're making hamburger out of it.
Yes, that's all we're doing.
The reason you hang meat is to let
Tenderize.
Yes,
right.
And what it is it starts breaking down. The meat starts breaking down, and that's why it's getting tender. So the longer you let it hang, the more it breaks down. Now, if you're going to make hamburger out of it, we don't need to hang it.
No.
And that's the misconception. But if you're gonna take these cuts of meat and try to make stew or steaks or something out of them, the longer you let them hang, the better.